Last but not least, we have a contemporary dance choreographed by Jordan entitled Saturn. Jordan has treasured being on stage crew for the last 4 years and getting to dance with this group of girls. The piece is a way to show the amazing bond this team has built and how special it is to be a part of it. The girls have worked so hard this semester, and Jordan hopes that you'll see all the love and hard work that has gone into this dance. This is Saturn.
Let's go, girls.
It's hard for me to courage of stars before you know how I carries on endlessly, even after that. The shore is you explain the infinite, how rare and beautiful it is to even exist. I couldn't help but ask you to see it all again. I tried to write down, but I can never find a pen. I'll do anything to hear you say it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my life. I couldn't help but ask you to say it all again. I tried to write it down, but I could never find a pen. I'll do anything to hear you say it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my eyes. The shore is gray. I'll explain the infinite, how rare and beautiful it truly is. The